Guys, so today I'm going to be making flubber soap. It's not really a slime or like clay, but it's in between, I guess. But you're gonna need cornstarch. That's the first thing I'm gonna tell you. It's cornstarch. So if y'all don't have it, move along. Cornstarch. You're gonna need shampoo, but I prefer herbal essences because it really smells good and it's actually a good thing. And you're gonna need oil. It doesn't matter what oil. So you just need oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use canola oil, the one I have, vegetable oil, as long as it says oil. So let's go ahead and get right to the video. Okay, so what I'm gonna get is my cornstarch. So just go ahead and follow what I'm doing. And this is my new little thing. So I'm gonna get like, well, it doesn't really matter, but it doesn't really matter how much cornstarch, but I'm gonna go with this. Oh my gosh, it goes everywhere. Say about that, no, a little bit more. And I've already tried this. It's not gonna be a fail. Hopefully not, because like, okay, so that much, y'all can see. Bell in the background. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your soap. Oh, it smells so good. Smell it, guys. Smell it. Okay, and about that much. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and stir it. A lot of cornstarch, yes. And then go ahead and add a little bit of your oil. Just a little bit. Okay. It takes a little while to go ahead and come together. Yeah. Okay, so sorry. So you just keep stirring. As you can see, it's getting a little bit chunky. So that's what's. I'll give you a better look. But if you're following my instructions, then you're doing really good. Should be looking the same. And once it gets to like a sticky position, not right now, but like in a little bit. See if it's too much cornstarch. Like right now. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Sorry guys. So this is how I'm doing. And if it's too much cornstarch, I add a little bit of more of this. Let's go ahead, put a little bit more. It smells really, really good. So yeah. Okay, so I go ahead and stir the extra. It's looking so good. Oh my god. A long time ago, guys, when I made a cornstarch, I think it was cornstarch, yeah, or flour, one of those. I made a stress ball out of that, and I'm not good with stress balls, but like I go crazy with them. Go ahead and add a little bit of oil, guys. But I go crazy with them, like a little bit too rough with them. And then I was in my room, I was thinking of making a video. And when I was literally about to record, because I was practicing of how I was going to make it before, because I didn't want to mess up. And it popped all over me, my whole room. It was funny. But it went everywhere. It was weird and crazy. It was funny. So I was like, no, I don't think I should record. this is how it's looking so far, guys, and it's working really well. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh. Needs to go on a little bit more, guys. Y'all can add food coloring. I literally found this, I forgot where, I don't know, I forgot, but if I do find it, I'll link it down in the description a little, you know what I mean. So I'm going to go ahead and get my hand, go ahead and start putting it together. It is feeling awesome. Just needs a little bit of kneading. Okay, and y'all can even use this to like wash your hands, since of course it's shampoo, soap. It is so cool, look. You just need to put a little bit more of kneading. That's all. There. Hold on, wait a little bit more and I'll show ya. Ugh. I can't get it off me. So this is how it should be looking. How smooth that is. Can y'all see? Yes. That is. It is really awesome, guys. And it smells amazing. That's all I gotta say. So guys, if you really like this video, go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up. If it's getting a little, make sure to put it in the bag. Y'all need to put it in the bag if y'all want it to last longer. And if y'all want more slime videos, or like videos like this, go ahead and give this video at least 50 thumbs up. And every week I'm going to be starting to do a shout out, and to get the shout out, y'all have to like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying that y'all did it. And I'll go ahead and give you the shout out for the week. And there's going to be an item for the week. So the item for the week is cornstarch. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully y'all liked it. Bye.